What's up guys, this is going to be my first video in this channel, and without saying anything I am going to start my video. And in this channel, especially in this episode actually, I am very much excited, and I'm a big Arsenal fan actually. Okay, so let's start as a Arsenal manager. What are you going to say? Yeah, I mean it's FIFA 20 actually. So uh, lots of old players are still in this squad, but it does not matter. It really does not matter. And okay, let's have a manager preview. Okay, I am going to select this one, and name will be Mr. Manager. Mr. Mr. Manager. Okay, yeah, Mr. Manager. Okay, yes, this is my team. Okay, currency. Currency will be dollars. Okay, let's advance. Now this is taking some time, and particularly in this moment I am going to say something that I'm a huge fan of Arsenal team, and you all know the Gunners are very much in between again and again after Arsene Wenger. Even last 2 or 3 seasons of Arsene Wenger was very much, very much rubbish, very much heartbreaking actually, and thereby they bring someone like Unai Emery, and even he could not do anything at that moment. And after that, Michael Arteta, who was the right hand man of Pep Guardiola, he is now doing the job for us, for the Gunners actually. So it's very difficult that after one era, like someone like Arsene Wenger, who has spent lots of years in this club, okay, and suddenly someone, it's maybe Maradona, it's maybe, it's whoever come in this club, it's not going to very easy for someone like Mikel Arteta or even Unai Emery to bring that magic once again. It's very short time. It's very tough. It's very tough, and therefore I am here. And okay, let's jump into the squad. I have to sold some old leg actually, like Montreal, Atron Palace, okay. Saliba I have to recall from loan because he is our future prospect, and someone like holding being also great. Okay, Saliba, look at his age, 18. In 18 he is already in 71. My God. Mustafi is going to be sold, definitely. David Luiz, yeah. Socrates even, I have to sold him. Bellerin is in our future. Elmeni, okay, Torreira, Chamber, Saka, Kabalossi, Loni from Real Madrid, Gondogoje, okay, Zaka. I don't like this player actually. I am just thinking that why Arsene Wenger brought him. I don't even know. Still date, I'm not sure why. Ozil have to be sold definitely, and Willock is okay. Mkhitaryan have to be sold definitely. Pepe is okay. Nelson, Lacazette, Aubameyang. These two players is very essential for us. But they have to be okay. Have to be sold right now. And what is our money actually in our budget? Budget is okay. 121, and on the other side I make it 0. Let them go, let go some of old player, and thereby it will help to rise our fund. And now I am going to simulate our first match. It's Lacazette, Aubameyang, Pepe, Xhaka, Torreira, Monreal. Okay, we have won the first match. Okay, we have won our first match, and in squad I have to change right now because I will play in very much my formation. Actually, you can see how much I am energetic, how much I am, yes, that's the spirit. Okay. Yeah, my formation is this 4-1-2-1-2. Okay, and in squad I have to be changed definitely. I go for Aubameyang, Xhaka, no, Mkhitaryan, David Luiz, Socrates, no Socrates will be there. It will be Saliba. Where is Saliba? Saliba is there. Bellerin. Okay. Torreira, Saliba, David Luiz, no David Luiz. Let's play for Mustafi. Torreira is okay. Trelani is going to there. Mkhitaryan will be replaced by this one. And Caballos. Okay. There will be no Xhaka. I don't like him actually. I really don't like him. Now the captain is Ozil. Okay. Still now he is the best playmaker of Arsenal in this squad actually. Okay. So that's why I am with him right now. Though Arteta is making him left on the bench. Captain suggestion, player returning. Inbox. Shirts sell important transfer market. Okay. That's not a big issue right now. And transfer offer for Nelson only 8. No, I'm not going to sell him. Actually, what I can supposed to be do that here I can raise the amount 15 and that's what I can say. David Luiz is very much surprised that I am playing without him, but it's true. It's have to be happen actually. It's have to be happen. Nothing to do. Pepe in on the bench right now. So, but we have won. Okay. And what I think that maybe they are giving some money to me. Nelson offer for Asha. Okay. Advance. There. Okay, I am going to simulate again for this time also. We have won Aubameyang, the goal scorer. And have we won some money? Loan from Martinez? No, I'm not going to loan Martinez. Transfer for Mustafi. Okay, 15. Let's negotiate. Let's negotiate about Mustafi. What I can do is make it 20. 22. Okay, there's 90. 20. Only give me 20. Okay, agreed. They agreed about Mustafi. Now, what I will do that. Transfer from Mustafi. I need some player about who will do a great job for us. Zaka, I just don't like him. Okay, I have to be sell this for this person. 24 is value. 26 to 38. 38. Okay. I can 38. So I'll go. I will start from 35. 38. Okay, 35. Let's go for it. Yes. Okay, you have a deal. That's a great job. I really don't like Zaka actually. So broken down Nelson. Now, yeah. This time I will also definitely simulate this match again once again. Bellerin, Saliba, Mustafi, Tierney, Torreira. Oh, we have lost. If we have some of chance about this tournament, I will bring more attacking player like Pepe on the right or left side. Mustafi sold. Okay, that's a really good news for us. 15. Uh, uh, 20. Okay. Prize money 3. Not a good, just not a bad amount actually. And let's make it advance to the forward. And I'm hoping Zaka also sold. That is a very good news for us. Transfer offer for Mesut Ozil. What I can do? I'll go make 52 for Mesut Ozil. Someone like Mesut Ozil. I hope this is okay. I'm sorry, no. There is more than what we are preparing. 44. Okay. Remove Ceylon clause and 50. Let's 50. Because this is the biggest deal. I mean, okay, I understand. Okay. That's really good news, guys. That is really good news for us. Someone like Mesut Ozil who has a hugely wage and Monreal, interesting. Yeah, only this. This original price is 6.5. Okay, 6.5 is original. So let some 5 more. What I can do, 6.5 is original. Okay, so I have to start from at least 7.8. At least I am quite sure they will down this in upcoming their conversation. 6.2. No, I'm not going to this type of bullshit again. 7. Only 7. Okay, we have a deal. That's great. Mesut Ozil, Zaka, Mustafi, and now Mesut Ozil. Definitely, it will make the biggest impact in our, budget. And Mkhitaryan have also a good player definitely, but he is going to be older and and his stamina is very low. Right now, his value is 19. Okay, 19. They are offering 1 now. How much I can go for him? I'll do 28. Let's have a chance. No, they are not too sure to give me that type of amount. Let's go for 24. Sorry, 25. 29 only. 22. No. Oh. Look at the manager face. Oh, very sad. But no, I mean, we know the time will be come in the future very soon. So right now I will end this first video, and before that let's have a check about our budget. Okay, 171, not bad, not bad. So here I am going to end this video, step 1, and after that step 2, I mean the episode 2 will become very soon. You guys please like, subscribe and make a comment that which player you really want to bring back in this team. You can give me suggestion that whatever player you are willing to see in this Arsenal squad. Okay, so let's have a fun, and please make a subscribe.